Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, I'm showing you my favorite way to cook lamb kosha. Kosha is a Bangali word which refers to slowly roasting in spices for a long period of time. We will keep scraping off the roasted spices over and over again from the pan to reach that maximum potential of char and fragrance in the dish. You can also try the same procedure with mutton or beef. Before we start today's recipe, I would like to invite you to join our cooking group Nourish and Flourish. We are building an international foodie community which is right for everyone, beginners and pros. Please join and stay connected with our cooking. Let's start with the recipe for lamb kosha. We will need 1.5 kg of medium small lamb meat pieces. I use leg pieces with bones. And for paste, we need 7 to 8 garlic cloves, a few pieces of ginger, 2 large green chilies, 1.5 small onion, and we blend it. Then we add the paste to the meat. Next we add yogurt, 150 gram, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and mix well. Now we cover and rest for 40 minutes. For the spice blend, we need 12 green cardamom, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 big mace, 1.5 teaspoon of 5 spices or pachforon. Now we blend the spices. Next we start the main part, cooking the meat. For that, we take mustard oil and add the meat. Make sure the stove is on high flame in the beginning. Saute it in the oil for a while. It will slowly get a bit brown and start releasing water. Lower the flame and cover and cook for some time. Here you see the water already came out. Cover and cook in low flame for 20 more minutes. You will notice the water is drying down. The gravy is getting even thicker and more colorful. And there will be spice char in the bottom of the pan. Make sure to scrape it off. Now we add the spice blend we prepared before, 1.5 tablespoon. And we mix well. Make sure the flame is low. Cover and cook. Keep uncovering and keep getting the char off the bottom of the pan every now and then. This is what will increase the flavor of the dish. At this point, we prepare the spice paste, for which we will need 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1/3 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/3 tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and we add water, mix well until it turns into a paste-like consistency. Now we add this paste to the meat. You can adjust the level of spiciness according to your own wish, but personally we prefer it this way. It's quite spicy, by the way. Now we slowly add a little bit of water and keep covering and cooking in low flame, and keep uncovering and scraping off from the bottom of the pan over and over again, and it will take a long time. Like, it probably takes 2 hours to cook this entire dish. The process of slow cooking really gives the flavor a boost. Towards the end, the gravy will look even darker in color. You can adjust the salt at this point towards the end, and our dish is done. We are gonna serve it with some white boiled rice, which is very simple, but it tastes amazing with it. The meat is super tender and flavorful. So let's have Waju taste the dish and see what he thinks.
Let's try these.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. So tender. And the spiciness is on point.
Isn't it too spicy for you?
No. I mean, it is spicy for sure, but I like it a lot. 10 out of 10.
So everyone should make it, no?
You should try it out, yes.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Assalamu alaikum.